Okay, so now for suppose, go to, I'm just opening the MATLAB. Here error, earlier error, whatever we had, I'm just going to clear that. So you can see in the menu, just open MATLAB software, apps, where you could see apps, left side corner apps. Package app. Sorry, install app, go to experiment and then calculator. Yes. Now I installed my developed software named calculator to my MATLAB software. Where I could find that, you see, I can go to here corner, you could see it is displaying only all the, here you don't have a space to display that. You could see here in the corner, just press that. You could see already earlier I designed a new calculator. Now the name is calculator. Anything you can open. Yes, I'm just changing the value to 10, this to 20, and then start. Yes, 10 plus 20, 30, 10 minus 20 minus 10, 10 into 20, 200, and then division. Okay, so what we are supposed to do, I'll just repeat this step alone. How to package? Once your program, you are done with the program, go to the designer, okay, and then share option, MATLAB app, select the file that you want to convert into app, and then select the location where you want to store that, and then click on the package. So your app is ready now. Now you want to add that particular app to your MATLAB software. Okay, what we are supposed to do, open MATLAB software, select apps menu, click on install app, select the designed or packaged whatever app that we earlier designed, that you select it, and then click on install option. So automatically your designed app will get installed into your MATLAB software. Then you can click on that and you can use it. This is how app is installed. I told you another way. Even you can try in that way also. I'll show even that. See, go to home page. Again, apps. Again, I'm repeating another method. There are two methods for your for converting your developed application into an app. So I'm gonna use another approach. Go to apps, okay, and then application compiler. So not only the program what you developed using app designer, even if you are developing a program using a guide also, you can use this option. That's why both the ways I'm teaching. Go for application compiler. Yeah, see, this is what it is displaying. Then add main file. You can click on that. So wherever in experiments I saved the program. What is the program name? My calculator, or I'll go with another name, display text. Okay, I'll go with display text. So display text is my app now. I just clicked on that and I can give text display app, same name, or display app, I'll give name as display. Whatever you want, you can give display 2020. And then you can package this. Okay. And another thing, whenever you're using this particular, if any associated files supporting to your main file, if any associated file supporting to your main, for example, you have totally some 20 programs. Your main program is one, remaining 19 programs you are going to call from your main programs. So the moment you click on your main program, automatically all those programs will come here. For suppose if it is missing, you can go and then select it. Okay, this is how you will be doing using. For suppose if you design any application using guide option, you can convert even that also into an app by using this second method, what I said. Okay, so this is how we will be converting. Yes. So far what we had seen is how we can use a text field from the first experiment we learned, and how we can play with the numeric numbers from the second experiment calculator we learned, and then how, if any application is developed, how we can convert that application into an app, and how we can store that app into my MATLAB software under my apps location,